Welcome to Exchange Server Administration, Exchange Server Migration Scenarios. Several scenarios are available to migrate from a local email system to Exchange Online. Let's see the migration scenarios matrix we have. You can decide between cutover, stage, or hybrid migration option. However, you need to consider that hybrid is only available if the Exchange Server version supports coexistence between the affected Exchange version. For example, if you want to migrate Exchange Server 2003, you need to implement an Exchange Server 2010 as a hybrid server to migrate to Exchange Online. And same way for Exchange 2007, you need a hybrid Exchange 2010 or 13. If you want to use Exchange Server 2016 or 19 as a hybrid server, you can add it into an Exchange Server 2010 or 2013 organization. And the third-party email systems such as Lotus Notes, Domino, Groupwise, or any other SMTP-based email server can be migrated to Exchange Online by using the IMAP migration option. And you also have a Office 365 Mail Migrator Advisor which assists you in migrating your Exchange Server environment. Office 365 Mail Migrator Advisor helps you to move mailboxes to Office 365 from your Exchange Server by using automated tools and step-by-step guidelines. The advisor will recommend a migration path based on the version of Exchange Server you are migrating from and the number of mailbox in your on-premises Exchange Server deployment and how you plan to manage users and access to Exchange Online. Let us also see what preparation do we need in order to migrate to Exchange Online. You need to consider the following. Perform an Active Directory check and cleanup. The cleanup will help to prevent the old, outdated items from being synchronized to Exchange Online. It also might be useful to only synchronize a specific container and not the complete domain. You should decide what information should be migrated. You can decide that which data you plan to migrate to Exchange Online. You can think like, do you need to migrate all mailbox content, or you will just migrate the data from a specific period of time such as emails that are 2 years old. You can think like, do you need to migrate archives or public folder as well if you use them. Reduce the amount of data to be migrated. You can reduce the amount of data to be migrated. It is very helpful during the migration. You can do this by asking your users to clean up their mailboxes before you start the migration. Update your Outlook client to the latest version. If you use an older version of Microsoft Outlook such as Outlook 2007 or before, you need to update these clients before moving their mailboxes to Exchange Online. And if you do not do that, your user will not be able to connect with their clients and will need to use alternative clients such as Outlook on the web. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video.